Welcome to this video. This is Olufemi Adebayo, and I want you to understand something very important. A lot of people often reach me to find out how they could start mini importation with zero or no capital. You know, any business you want to do, you need money to start, but there's a leeway for you if you don't have capital. It doesn't have to be the end of the world. You don't have to suffer in silence, because we know the economic situation of the country right now. So if you are serious and you don't really have money to start, you can start without capital or with little money, as long as you have a smartphone, as long as you have the willingness to go all the way to succeed. All right, so it is important to have the willingness. It's important to go all the way, and of course if you have data. And I want to tell you that you are not the worst of person. You have something for yourself. You have data and you are good to go. It's a form of resources. So you are not a non-entity. You are not somebody that is no good, but you have something to offer. So if you don't have physical cash to import, don't let that stop you from this business. All right, so you can go to our zero capital importation group, and this is the URL on Facebook, and then you can join the group. I'm already in the group, so of course I created the group. So if you are here, you get to check one or two things. There are sellers here. We have allowed sellers to come here and get verified, and then they will come and showcase their products, where you can discuss with them and then start promoting this thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and look into it. Okay, this was 5 hours ago. Fruit cover. Okay, you can see this this person. Now this person is not a verified seller. When you say verified seller, I'll be telling you how to know a verified seller. But of course, this is a product. You can reach out to this person and do your due diligence. The first point is for you to come here and ask question with that person, and then you can take it further by private messaging that person. But of course, you have to initiate the conversation by commenting on the person's product. All right, so okay, a lot of face sheet here. All these guys, they are selling face sheet. Is highly competitive right now, and the price is crazy. All right, see this fellow, this person is selling something very unique, kid education tablets, and if you look at it from 18,000, you can take this and sell for 40,000 naira, 45,000 naira, and make some good money for yourself. Now you can get this person to do pay on delivery, and talk to them if they want pay on delivery, if that is what they do, or if it is pay before delivery. You got to discuss with them and weigh your option. Of course, this person too is not a verified seller, but of course she's been posting. And okay, can you see somebody initiated this and asked some question, but this person did not read the post well. A lot of people come and they don't read posts, they just make comment, because well, there is a number here, except of course it's been edited. I wouldn't know why this person didn't see the number. All right, so you go on. Now this is our verified seller, is a moderator, verified seller moderator here, and okay, this is a product. You can reach out. We can vouch for this person. Of course, the same person charcoal stove. That's what it's selling here. That is what it's got in display. And so, all right, clothes. There are different categories, a lot of categories. You can come get your own category and then start selling. How would you start selling? Because you don't really have cash. It is important to know. We're going to get into that. So there are different categories in this place, and you can see breastfeeding for mothers, the bra, so that you can easily feed their children when they are out of their house, so that they'll be comfortable. All right, the lot of face shield here, but other things are here, lashes growth, and so many other things. You can, the list goes on and on. Just move down. Okay, can you see clothing and some other stuff? Now we have done something in this place which most of the sellers don't still understand. We have units, and we have different things on different units. We have different units, and they are to use unit to post their ad, but of course they are still working on it. Fitness unit, fashion unit, phone and accessory, bag, so that we can segment everything. But so far so good. They find it a bit challenging using it, but of course we will continue to educate them as time goes on. So find your own niche, find your own your own niche that you want to sell and start promoting. Please do not promote until you discuss the terms with the seller and do your due diligence in case the person is not a moderator. Even if they are a moderator, you have to still do your own diligence. All right, and so when you have gotten this, well, you have gotten a seller, what next? That is the next thing you should find out. What next? Okay, there are some couple of things that you need to do. You need to start marketing your product, right? Okay, so you market your product. One of the very good place you have where we call Osun online market. We have fast growing market, about the online market. These are sales group that you can go and start selling, start posting your ad, add your markup to it, and then when you get customer, direct them to your seller, and your seller will send it to them depending on your agreement. Then you will now you are good to go, and you will be able to get the balance. Please don't be afraid to make bold move. How do I make bold move? You got to make bold move in this place. If you are selling that tablet for 50,000 naira, you can get it so for 45,000 naira. You take the markup. It's as simple as that. The fact that your supplier is selling for 18,000 does not mean you should sell for 20,000 naira or 25,000 or 21,000 naira and say 3,000 naira is enough for me. You have to make profit, make bold move, try your best, make your good markup. There are people that will pay high for products like that. Not all these people that do not have money. Now many people will be like, people don't have money. There are a lot of people with money. So I want you to target people that have money. I want you to work at it and have confidence in what you are selling, because you are providing solution. Imagine if they can educate their children with the tab and all that. These rich guys can do that, and they love to do that. You know, they love the best of things for their kids. Is good enough. So you can start with zero capital, but you need, number one, you need to be bold, to make bold move. You need to be certain of what you are selling. You need to have this mind that you can succeed. You can succeed. So it is highly important for your mindset that you can succeed. A lot of people have done drop shipping in a wrong way. This is local drop shipping as a matter of fact, and they've done it the very wrong way. They hardly make money. They complain they make losses. They do so many things. No, never go into a business that will make you losses. Importation business, if you make losses, that means you have not done something right. But when you have done something right, why not? Why should you make losses? You may not make as much gain as possible, but I mean, you shouldn't make losses, because this one is easy. You are not paying upfront. You are starting for free, and you are just getting somebody to those who have the product. You are kind of referring somebody, and this is what you do normally on a good day, but you're adding your own markup. Now, on moral grounds, some people may not see that as a business, but it is a business. After all, what do you do when you go to Balogun Market, or when you go to Lagos Island and you come back to sell something for someone? You have only bought from a cheaper source. You source it and you're here to it. That's business. So why do you think when you refer somebody to a place and put your own markup is morally wrong? You are doing your own business and you are living on it. So it is important for you to understand this. You can start with zero capital. So that's it. Thank you for this video, and I hope you will start and go to sales group to market your product, and of course on your personal page you can also market it. On your status on WhatsApp you can market it. Those are the 3 ways you can market it for free, and you'll be shocked that some people that on your contact, they are ready to buy and they'll be looking for how to buy. They'll just see it and they'll contact you, and if they don't contact you instantly, don't worry, just relax and continue. Let them contact you. If you have any other question about this, you can leave the comment below. And this is our page, this is our YouTube page. You can subscribe so that you get latest.
Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment to share with your friends and network. See you next time.